Enhancing audio quality.
How to make audio sound better in Premiere Pro.
Drag the video or audio file onto the timeline. Click on your video or audio file, go to Effects, and type in Bass, Treble, Hard Limiter. Before we make any adjustments, this is the before.
This is a test for enhancing audio quality in Adobe Premiere Pro, or how to make the audio sound better.
Not bad. Click on the audio or video file, click Effect Controls, scroll down and adjust the bass to your desired preference. In this case, I'm using 5 decibels and 10 decibels for the treble, and under the hard limiter, we click Edit. And under the first maximum amplitude, drag this to -5. Highlight the clip, adjust the audio, and make this 10 decibels. And this is the after.
This is a test for enhancing audio quality in Adobe Premiere Pro, or how to make the audio sound better.
If you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist down below and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.